Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Analytics 4 with Google Tag Manager step by step clearly. First, log into your Google Tag Manager account. Select the container where you want to configure Google Analytics 4. Click on Tags in the left-hand menu. Select New to create a new tag. Click on Tag Configuration. From the list of tag types, choose Google Analytics GA4 configuration. In the Measurement ID field, enter your GA4 Measurement ID. You can find your Measurement ID in your Google Analytics account under Admin, then Property Settings. Next, scroll down to Triggering. Click on the plus icon to create a new trigger. Select All Pages as the trigger type. Give your trigger a name, like All Pages Trigger. Once done, click on Save to return to the tag settings. Now, give your tag a clear name, such as GA4 Configuration Tag. Click on the Save button to save your tag configuration. Next, click on the Submit button in the top right corner of the screen. Add a version name and description if desired, then click Publish. Now, go to your Google Analytics account. Select the appropriate property for which you've added the GA4 tag. Click on Real-Time in the left-hand menu to verify data. Visit your website to see if data is being tracked in real time. Lastly, check other reports in Google Analytics to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Congratulations, you have successfully configured Google Analytics 4 with Google Tag Manager. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.